language for today. Usually people, you like to ask what's your name. It's like a common phrase we usually use when we meet people. And in Indonesian it's, if you want to ask what's your name, then you say siapa namamu. So siapa namamu. When you want to say my name is, then you say nama saya ditata. So that's it. Something new. We just did 5 kilometers run, hike, sprint session. It was really good. And so all today's video will be in a slow motion, just to give you a chance to look at the same things from the different perspective. Actually made me some good thoughts I will tell you a little bit later. Elliot's eggs in a nest. Not really Elliot's, but yeah, in a nest.
Yes.
Elliot complained that he cannot do frog kick in these fins. I've been diving in a fins like this for 10 years previously. So now I switched to 6 years ago. I got these fins and I'm super happy. And to prove that it's all bullshit what he says, I will show you that it's possible actually that you can do frog kick and even backward kick without fins.
Without fins.
See you underwater.
Ten minutes later.